Yeah, hello everyone. Very good morning. Thanks for joining.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So, can we start? Or else I think someone else was still joining. Just wait for a minute so that we can start our session. At 9:15 we can start actually. Someone else was still joining, someone else are messaging me. Does the session started or not? It is just like an interacting session. Okay. Don't take it in some other different thing. So just it is an interacting way so that you can understand what are my skill set and how many years of experience I do have hold. So yeah, just a minute. No one should miss the sessions from the demo. So that's the reason I was waiting till 9:15. So let us start. So yeah, still anyone else are joining? Okay, we can freeze the attendance. Attendances. Okay. So thanks for joining, guys. It's really happy to see you all here. So my name is Imran. Actually, I do have around 10 plus years of experience, and overall, I have started my journey in 2014. And I do have an worked for multiple things like I do have worked for banking domain. I do have worked for financial marketing, and I do have worked for all the MNC companies actually, where I do have implemented multiple integrations, workflows, process automations. Right now I was working as a team lead for one of the big organization where I have been equipped with multiple practical knowledge, and I do have worked for multiple projects where I do have worked for implementations actually. That means right from the scratch, I have been developed that knowledge so that I can implement from the scratch actually. Yeah, I have trained more than 1,000. So I can say it as I was really expertise giving the trainings of ServiceNow. And one more thing is like in the organizations as well. For every year, we will be having some freshers will get joined. So I will be taking care of the training sessions for them to give the ServiceNow and overall expertise I need to give to them so that all can learn very well, and we will be place them in ServiceNow project if they are coming from any new things actually. New things in the sense that if they are freshers, then we will train them and take it to our projects actually. That is the main motto of taking the freshers. So, and one more thing is like the one who are having around 2 to 3 years of experience is also fine. Uh, I mean, if it is more than 2 to 3 years, then we do have good amount of calls in service now right now. And one more thing is like the only difference between the other trainers and me is other trainers will just do the support. I mean, the other trainers will just give you the training, and they will leave you alone. So right now, I am not the type of trainer. So I will be standing beside you till you get the jobs. Actually, that is my main motto. So learning, you can learn from multiple gateways. Like we will be having YouTubes. We will be if you want, you can find some other videos as well. So, but that doesn't feed you, right? Learning, just learning is not such important. For getting learning, you can just see the YouTubes and you can learn very well. So what I was trying to say is like the only difference is the job oriented here. So as soon as you get trained, after 20 to 30 days, you can put your resumes. I will help you how I need to I mean, I can help you how you can also get the jobs as soon as possible, because I have, to be honest, I have, firstly, I have been worked in banking organization actually, where I have been, I have also taken calls, to be honest. So later on, uh, someone are sketching on that. Can you please don't sketch, okay? So yeah, what I was trying to say is like I was also a banker first. So I have done around 1 or 2 years. Later on, my manager said that in a non-technical background, if you are having 10 years as well, you will get around 7 lakhs to 6 lakhs of package. No need to be here. So please try to grow very well in the service now, or not. He haven't said about service now, but he just said that to move your career to IT. So that's the reason I have been stepped out of the banking organizations. In banking as well, I have been working for some tools where we will be having in Finacle, FCRM. So those type of things we are having. I have been working as an admin for that. So later on, I have developed my skills. And one more thing is like, uh, I'm from an electrical background actually. I don't know service now. I don't know about what is what and all. So later on, I just got an opportunity to work for ServiceNow in one of the organization. It's a small organization, and my journey starts from there. And later on, I have learned, I have given my hard work. The only thing I can say it as in a single way answer to move from the non-technical team to the technical, or if you are having zero experience to service now. So the only thing is discipline. So you need to learn the things very well. If you are started learning, make and try to do the things in a very good manner actually, because no one will give you lakhs of salaries without learning. No one will feed you. I mean, if you are hiring a servant as well in your home, if she is not working as expected, you will try go with the next. Yes, in the same way here as well. For the 3 years of experience, 4 years of experience, they will be giving around lakhs of rupees. I mean, the minimum of basic salary of a ServiceNow developer of 2 years to 3 years, the one which I placed recently, he got around 7 years of experience. He just have around uh, three, I guess, 2 years experience, 2.8 something. So yeah, so he got around 7.5. If you are having around 3 to 5 years of experience, you can expect 10 lakhs, 10 to 15. I mean, if you are having 5 years of experience, you can, I mean, based on your current salary. So we can also do some things to get some more salary, like we can get some two offer letters in hand so that you can get good salaries. Even some of guys will come to me and they will say that they are having 15 years of experience in HR domain, 15 years of experience in testing domain. So no, nothing required. So, I mean, you are having 15 years of experience. That means your hard working is of 15 years. Till your salary is around 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs or 5 lakhs. Minimum to minimum in this modern age, we need to earn around 1 lakh rupees per month, ma. That's my main motto. If you are not earning, I mean, if your age is above 25 or 28, then minimum to minimum salary you need to get it around 1 lakh rupees. Then only you can be in the population and you can lead a very happy life. Yeah. So this what my journey is all about. No need to fear that if you want to have some prior knowledge or something. Okay. So the only thing is like you need to learn very sincerely and you need to give more hard work to it. Then only what I can say, the God also will support you. If you are not giving any hard work to it, and if you want the job, everyone wants the job. But the only motto is to survive in it. As because I'm there, you can easily get the job. I have some tricks and so that you can place it. So what I can say is like you need to survive. Surviving is the only thing. For surviving, you need to learn the service now. Basically, yeah, this is all about the things which I want to tell you. I don't want to take much class on it. So yeah. So first and foremost thing, do you know anyone knows what is meant by service now? Anyone here? Anyone are currently working or any IT professionals or non-IT professionals are here? Just tell me.
We use as a end user.
It's
Okay.
a ticketing tool.
Yeah, good. So, yeah,
Is
Param.
a cloud-based platform.
Yeah, it's a cloud-based platform. So as you can see here, so it is a ticketing tool. Yes, it is a ticketing tool. One more thing, it's not only the ticketing tool. It's a more powerful tool where it can manage everything. That means if you got an issue, then you will raise a ticket. That's perfectly fine, and it is a single line answer for ServiceNow. One more thing is like, so what about the in organizations? We will be having multiple assets. Am I right? Assets. Do you know what is meant by asset or laptops or hardware? Those things are known as an assets. So you are using the laptop. That's fine. Who will trace that? Do you know who will trace your asset, whether it is working or expected or not, and whatever it is?
Admin team.
Yeah,
Admin
who it is
team.
tracing?
Admin team.
Yeah, it is an what I can say. It is a live example that someone else or having. It's a physical one. I mean, physical user is you saying like admin. Admin is a physical. I mean, I'm the user. I'm Imran. I'm a physical. So, but I don't store, I don't take the notebook and the pen stating that Pavitra is using this laptop and Azhar has using the MacBook. So I can't write like that, right? We will be having lakhs of users in the organization, right? So not only these things, not only ITSM, ITSM stands for Infrastructure Service Management, IT Infrastructure Service Management. So actually, not only it is an ticketing tool. We can also say it as it,
Storaging data.
yeah, storage of data. We can say it as software as a service. So as you can see here, there is a word called software as a service. Do you know what is meant by software as a service? So actually, if you want to build any of the tool in organizations, what else we need? We need servers, we need database, and to interact with the service, we need to have some other tools to interact with that application, and all those things needs to be done, right? So for ServiceNow, we need not to have all these things. ServiceNow is a fully cooked food. We just need to know how to eat and how to make use of those things. So this is known as software as a service. And one more thing is like he has given you to use. So let's take for example, you have recharged your mobile phone. So are there any restrictions to call to a specific numbers only?
No.
No, we can call anything else as because you have made a recharge, you can call anyone else in our India. So if you recharge with any other things like Dubai, Saudi, or US, so you can call to them and call whatever the number it is, you can call, right? In the same
Yes.
way, ServiceNow has also a subscription basis. So what I will say is like I am the user, I am contacting to ServiceNow stating that I want your tool to use in my organization. So what ServiceNow will do is okay, fine, everything is ready. You just need to take the subscription from my end. And if you want, I can also give you the developers. Developers in the sense the one who can develop the functionalities. So I will tell you in the front end how does this particular things works. So as I said, someone said that it is only a ticketing tool. So basically, ticketing tool will only comes under the ITSM service management. We are giving you the good service to the end users. Service is the main motto here, right, ma? Service. I mean, if you are giving the good service, then only the customers will come to you. If you buy any new product, so if you want to have any new, I mean, if you have stuck with any issue, the main thing is to someone should help you, right? Without helping, no one can take the product, right? The only thing is to first we need to set the infrastructure properly. Then only we need to move into the module. So in the same way, ServiceNow is not only the ITSM, we do have ITOM, stands for operational management. Let's take for example, you are having around hundreds and thousands of servers. We need to manage, right? Whether it is working as expected or not, whether it is not working or not, whatever it is. So I will give you one live example. So basically for Deepavali or something new or Diwali, we will be having an Amazon. We will be having some festivals of Amazon where we can get in a low price, right? We think it is a low price. That's a different scenario. So in the same way, every person's what they will think. Yes, we need to navigate to. I mean, just try to open the Amazon and check whether my product is available for the low price or not. Getting the product is a different scenario, and first you will just open it, right? So that means the traffic will be very high. So at least if the traffic is very high, the system will become very slow, right?
Yes.
Sometimes if you open the Facebook, that will be very slow. Comparing to the actual times, it will be very slow. So in the same way, so someone needs to get notified, right? Stating that there is a high traffic for Amazon. Just try to increase the bandwidth so that other users cannot feel the slowness. So that type of things also we can manage with the help of ServiceNow ITOM. And one more thing is like HRSD. I mean, why I am saying all these things is like ServiceNow is a pack of all, not only a ticketing tool. We will say, I mean, in our mind, we will think like it is just a tool for a ticketing tool. Why I need to choose this particular tool? It is not a just a tool for ticketing. It is having multiple sub modules in it. So nowadays, if you see here, we will be having SAP, SD, ABAP, and we will be having multiple things in SAP. So now everyone are migrating from SAP to ServiceNow. The main theme of ServiceNow is to drop down the SAP and all tools, not only the MuleSoft, Salesforce. To be honest, I'm saying I have done multiple integrations. Integrating in the sense what? Do you know what is meant by integrating?
To connect the other platforms.
A bridge between two
One
anything.
application connect to another application.
Yes, one application to the other application. Let's take for a small slight example as. So we will be having uh, WhatsApp.
Right.
So let us take the WhatsApp. So we will be having WhatsApp. So let us take one organization as OnePlus. Okay, this is a OnePlus. So you have got an issue. You buy the OnePlus mobile and you have got some issue, ma. Sorry for this. Yeah, you have got a OnePlus mobile phone and you have got an issue. So first thing, what will you do? You will call or else you will message or mail some OnePlus guys, right? So that the help desk person will help you. So instead of calling or all those things, those are the older ones. Nowadays, smartness has become. Everyone will open the WhatsApp and OnePlus will give you one small what I can say, this number, helpline number like 012 something OnePlus number. So as soon as you click on help, as soon as you click on help in WhatsApp, how does this particular OnePlus understand stating that someone else are pinging OnePlus to for the sake of help? So what in the response, what OnePlus will give you as yes, what help you need from me? Okay, what help you need from what help you need from me? So as a user, what you say is like you will give your issue. I buy it. So I purchased mobile from your store. It's not working as expected. It's not working as expected. You will send some blah 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 messages to that. In the same way, the system is understanding what you have been written here, and then it is trying to smartly some troubleshooting skills they will set in. So please try to check whether the battery is up or down, how much battery you are having percentage, and all those things. That means the WhatsApp is sending the message to OnePlus and how OnePlus is understanding it. So that is nothing but these two are two different tools, right? WhatsApp is one tool, OnePlus is one store. How does these two things are interacting each other? So these things needs to be get developed by the developer actually. There is much simple math. Everything is an inbuilt in ServiceNow. We need not to do something else. Just in the same way, if you want to use WhatsApp in your mobile phone, what will you do? First, you need to install it, right?
Yes.
Install the WhatsApp and then you can use. In the same way, in ServiceNow as well, we will be having a virtual agent. What it is known as? Virtual agent. The word itself is representing, right? Virtual. Virtual in the sense there is no such person. It is a virtual device. So that we need to train as a developer, you need to train this particular virtual agent, stating that so if the user is trying to send any keyword with the help, then what virtual agent should understand and what we need to do. Someone will be there. So I want to create some incident, or else I want to let's take for example, some people will send as help. Some people will send some syntax as what is the other name of help? Do you know that?
Support maybe.
Support.
Support. Yes, perfect. Support. Someone will ping you some other words. That means we need to train a virtual agent. If someone is trying to help, click on, sending a message as help, it needs to navigate to ServiceNow instance or OnePlus, and then it should throw some messages. If it is a support, is also same. So that means we are trying to train it. So we are having an option called NLU in ServiceNow. It is known as a natural level language. Natural level language or input we will be having actually. We will be using this. So in the same way, yeah, that's fine for now. So now you can see here. One more thing. What is meant by SaaS?
Doubt.
Yeah, please. Go ahead.
So for incident and service request, we use ServiceNow,
Correct.
and for problem and change request, we use Jira. So can we tell that as
No, not like that.
integration?
Yeah, perfect question it is. So not like that, ma. In the past, basically ServiceNow is all about incident, problem, and the change request. Nowadays, some people, nowadays, not nowadays, in the previous, they are using the Jira. Right now in my project also using the Jira, but it's only for tracking purpose, nothing else more than that. So now in the next quarter, we are trying to move the Jira tickets to ServiceNow actually. So basically, for tracking purpose as well, we are using the Jira, not using the Jira, we are using a ServiceNow itself. Basically, in the ServiceNow, we do have a problem module as well. So as you can see here, so basically ServiceNow is far better than Jira. For tracking purpose as well, we are having an option called story, agile methodology in ServiceNow. So that we are using right now that one itself in the Jira. And
Okay.
change request also we do have that normal change, simple change. I will tell you in the ongoing process of our sessions.
Yeah. Okay.
So basically, ServiceNow, we are being moving forward from Jira to ServiceNow. Actually, we have integrated multiple things like MuleSoft, Salesforce, and all. So yeah. So
Okay.
we do have in ServiceNow as well. We do have someone on their own interest. They are using the Jira. And one more thing, we are keeping the synchronizing between the two, ServiceNow and Jira. As soon as the ServiceNow ticket has been created, it should post in the Jira so that some of the clients who are not much comfortable of Jira or ServiceNow, they will be using vice versa.
Okay. So that
Okay.
is not integration.
That will also comes under integration. Why? Because we
Okay.
are trying to make the synchronization between the two tools, right? This is
Correct.
the ServiceNow and this is the Jira. As soon as you click a ticket created in ServiceNow, so let's take for example ServiceNow, it should create a record in other tools like Jira. And you created a ticket called INC something name, and the same ticket needs to get created in Jira. Like for Jira, it will start with 0, 1, 2, 3, this in this way. So in the same way, if it got updated, the same thing needs to get updated in the Jira. Both should be in a synchronize, right? Synchronize. Both should be in a sync. So that's the reason we will use this integration part.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah. Integrations nowadays it is in a good boom actually. I will train you this one as well. Our training will cover all the things like admin, development, and integrations. These all things I will cover, ma. So not only ITSM, I will also train HRSD as well, a little bit, not much up to the extent. So in the interviews, till how much they will ask, I will teach you till there. And one more thing, on daily basis, we will be having the sessions at 9 to 10 a.m. in the morning, and every day 1 hour will be there the training sessions. On Saturday, I will be interacting you with my past students who have really succeeded in the MNC companies, so that you can take the inputs from them as well. So yeah. Now coming back to our service now, and one more thing is like basically service now is an user friendly. Okay, it is a core software job, ma. And one more thing, it is a modular applications as well. It is a modular application till 20 to 25 years. I am damn sure no one will beat service now. That is for sure. You can easily retire your softwares over here. So yeah, this is the best platform actually. One more thing is like we do have DevOps, we do have all those type of things, right? So right now we are all about completed around multiple years. So now no need of scripting things. Everything will not much familiar. We will won't be much familiar with those particular things. So what I will be saying is like this particular service now is the best tool so that you can easily survive, ma. Surviving is important. Learning, see, I have also learned before starting my career in 2014. I do have worked for DevOps. I do have worked for SQL. I do have worked for Oracle, DBA. And I do have worked for multiple all SaaS, PaaS. We do have actually the Power BI, MSBA. We will be having some SSIS, AS, RS. So I have learned all those things, but nothing helped me, ma. Why? Because I'm from the electrical department, electrical background. So I haven't focused much in. I haven't thought that there is much life will be there if I choose those scenarios, choose those tools. So this is very great tool which we can easily learn and we can easily survive. And one more good news is like we will be having very good packages in service now. No, only very big organizations use service now, and from the small scale industry as well, we will use the service now. But most probably, like Apple is there, Microsoft is there. So if they want to build their own applications, can't they build? Why we are they using still service now? Because of its user friendly. Everyone will go for user friendly solely, right? I mean, it just with a click, it should resolve the issue. So the only thing is we need to give the good service. That is the main thing. Yeah. As you will keep some experience, you need to have some idea on this particular part as well. History of service now, actually. Actually, it has built in 2003 with the name of GlideSoft. Initially, who is the founder of ServiceNow is Fred Luddy. Have I written it?
Great lady.
Yeah. Actually, I haven't written it. So, founder of ServiceNow is Fred Luddy. Just keep in mind, okay? So we need to keep this for sure, this word, because we have to. I mean, at least we need to remember all these things. Why? Because if you are stuck with any of the ServiceNow tools, our core developers will say that, Fred Lady, you have thrown us on this particular tool and we are struggling in this tool. That type of jokes we will do it actually. I mean, not such hurting things, like just like an imitating him like that. Okay, you if you are saying Fred Lady, you should not think like there someone else in our team with the name of Fred Lady. You should not think like that. Okay, his name is the ServiceNow inventor is Fred Lady actually. Now the present CEO is Dermot, and one more market success also we will be having multiple. I mean, right now if you see the share market of ServiceNow, it is very high. If we, I mean, if for the ServiceNow developers, they will give for less if you're an employee for ServiceNow, they will instead with the packages. And one more thing is like I have placed of 48 lakhs of package. I have placed my student with 48 lakhs of package with a very great MNC. Actually, it is a big Fortune 4 company. I have been placed with for them. And last month, I have placed of 25 lakhs of package in a very great organization which starts with D. Okay. So
How much year of experience?
he is having around 6 years, ma.
Oh,
6 years, 24 lakhs of package. And later we have been negotiated and we have got around 28 lakhs of package. The HR is accepted for that. And from the past 2 months, he was working good work. As because he just kept around 3 years of experience with ServiceNow and overall he kept as 6 years. You got it, ma? I mean, I think he kept around four, I guess. I will show you the WhatsApp later on in some time so that you can
It
easily.
got
Now, and one more thing is like, as you can see in best in class ticketing tool, as you can see, it's an efficiency and versatility and everything is very fast while comparing to other tools like Jira, BMC Remedy, so all those things. Basically, Fred Lady is there, no? Fred Lady has worked for BMC Remedy in the past. From the past 20 years, he worked for BMC Remedy and he got all the bugging, what all the bugs are available in that particular tool. He got it. And then he invented his own tool. He proposed BMC Remedy to rectify all those things. But in the meanwhile, I think they have been rejected those particular things where Fred Lady has shown to him. So he just came out of the organization. He built uh, GlideSoft first. As you can see here, there is a GlideSoft now. So he has built GlideSoft and then he has been moved to ServiceNow. And right now he is a successful person of this particular software. Basically, we will be having two versions every year. Every year, ServiceNow will release two versions with the names of alphabetical names, and the names will be in a European alphabetical names. So ServiceNow, if you see here, just give me a minute. Just loading. Yeah, as you can see, it started, as I said, first it start with the name of, it started GlideSoft in 2004, later on coming. First version 2011, it's Aspen. What it is? Aspen, Berlin, Calgary. In the same way, now it's Xanadu. Now, quarter four, right? It's a Xanadu. Before that, Washington, D.C. So as you can see here, for every quarter, they will be releasing two versions. In 2004, we have been two versions, Washington DC and Xanadu. And some more can get the doubt, stating that so if the ServiceNow has released two versions for ServiceNow, so what would be the learning skill? What would be the if is there it will be there any issue? We need to be very upgraded every year. You can get that type of doubts, but no need of having that particular doubt. Why? Because in your mobile phone as well for 1 month or 2 months you will be getting some on the top of your phone. If you drag down, there will be some option like to please upgrade your mobile phone. uh, I mean not upgrade, upgradations.
Software update.
Yeah, software upgradation you will be there, right? In the same way, in ServiceNow as well, they will release some patches, security patches, that type of things, but not much uh, validations or not much things will be there. If you are trying to, let's take for example, in the Android phone, if you are trying to upgrade the software, it will not change to Mac, right? Mac OS, right? Same thing will be there, but only change will be there with the UI. UI part or some security patches will get released, right, ma? Same thing in ServiceNow as well. There will be no much difference or something else will be there. Okay. Now, ServiceNow real case scenarios. Yeah.
One doubt.
Yes, please. Go ahead.
If now versions will be there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ వర్షన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ అప్గ్రేడ్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా అయిపోతుందా ఆర్
No, 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 no. We need to
ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్
manually
చేయాలి?
do it. We need to have a manual way. Manually, we need to, I mean, in the phone
అంటే
as well, we
ఇప్పుడు
need to click on upgrade, right? In the same way, we will be having admins in our organizations. We will be having the ServiceNow admins. They will take care of it. Nothing else you need to do. You just need to create a ticket stating that I want to upgrade my instance. Please take care of it. That's it.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు మా ప్రాజెక్ట్లో ఇంకా యాస్పెనే యూస్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో అది
Aspen,
జస్ట్ ఒక ఇమేజ్
Washington అనుకుంటాం.
యాస్పెన్ అంటే యాస్పెన్ అని ఉంటుంది, అదే డౌట్.
I think you can check your version details from ServiceNow like stats.do, STATS stats.do, so that you can easily understand which
ఓకే
you are working.
ఓకే
So,
ఓకే
yeah, please check that. I'm damn
ఓకే
sure that ServiceNow will recommend that to use only -1 version. That means if you are in 2024, if you are in 2024, at least you need to be at Vancouver -1 year, but not
మీన్స్
Bhutan
ఇఫ్
or
దే
Tokyo.
అప్డేట్ ద వర్షన్ ఆల్సో కెన్ ద నేమ్ బి స్టిల్ యాస్పెన్?
Huh? No, 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 never.
నేమ్
No, no,
ఓకే
no,
ఓకే
no, no. But
ఓకే
I think the instant details will get changed, but the
ఇక్కడ
build name,
సర్వీస్ నవ్ అని ఇమేజ్ ఉంది కదా,
yeah.
అక్కడ మాకు యాస్పెన్ పవర్డ్ బై సర్వీస్ నవ్ అని ఉంటుంది.
Basically, Aspen is the company, ma. Aspen company, I guess.
ఓకే ఓకే
So that is actually the brand name, branding name you can give it here. So actually, as I said, if you open any Google, so will you be the option to change this Google image here?
నో
I mean, can you change the Google image here?
నో.
No.
You are just a end user, right? You can't change the Google image, or can I change this Gmail account to here and about to here and all those things, navigation part, can I change it? No, right?
No.
No.
We are just a users for Google. That's it. We can't do anything else. So if I purchased Google, if I purchased Google for lakhs of dollars, then I can do as my own, right? In the same
Yes.
way, ServiceNow as well. He has given you this particular tool, and if you are working for Cognizant, you can change for Cognizant here. And you are working for any other, as she said, that Aspen company, so he will change his this thing. Like the way we will be. Let's take for example LG logo. So let's take. I'm trying to download this logo. Okay, listen carefully. I was just save as no. LG logo download. PNG download. So let us try to save the image. Save it. So if you want to change this particular logo, let's take for example, this is known as PDI ma. PDI in the sense personal developer
Personal
instance.
development instance.
Yeah, basically this is known as a personal developer instance. We can use for free, and whatever the things which you are learning here, the same thing will be there in the organization as well. That's the reason you can easily survive here, as I said. For servers, for scripting, everything, we need to be very confident in that. But for ServiceNow, it is just a UI. So as you can see here, we can easily change this one, as because I have purchased, I can't say it is purchased, it is a free version. We can tell it as like that. So as you can see here, I was trying to change the logo of ServiceNow. See, it has got changed. And one more thing, there will be some branding name. For LG, what would be the branding name? Life's good, right? Life's good. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In the same way, if you want to change it, so you can give it like this. Life's good. So from here it will get changed. See, life's good. You need to just save it. So that means if you have purchased this tool and you can choose whatever it is, and you can also change the theme and all those things. I will try to tell you all those things in deeper. For now, you just need to understand. We have purchased this tool. What are all the capabilities I can do with this tool? That type of things you need to be very comfortable with. I will teach you everything from basic to all those things.
Advanced.
Yeah. So let's take for example now. how ServiceNow resolve the problems and all those things. Yeah, as I said, ITSM will give the incident response, prioritizations, and all those things we'll be having. In HR is doing nothing but what? So if you want, so I will tell you one scenario. So if you are stuck with any laptop or if the network is not working as expected, will you be navigating to the, I mean, you will be complaining and creating the ticket to the IT team or else to HR team? Tell me. It's a basic thing.
IT team.
IT team
IT team,
will
right?
request.
If you are
IT.
getting less salary, or if your managers or if your employees are troubling you a lot, you will be contacting the HR team or IT team.
HR team.
HR team. I mean, you are getting that some difference, right?
Yes.
So now if the server is not working as expected, then you will be going over here. So CMDB stands for Configuration Management Database, actually. So basically, as I said, that everyone should have the asset. That assets needs to be follow some hierarchies, like which asset is trying taken care by whom. All those things will be taken care by the CMDB. And all those things like FSM stands for Field Service Management. Basically, field service management is nothing but if you have bought any of the laptop or if you buy any of the uh, fan or AC, then if you want to make any, if I want to send any technician to that particular customer, so we will be creating some work orders in the field service management. Field service management, the word itself is replacing the field service management. The user should go to the particular technician and create a ticket. So like that. So ITBM, business management. So in ServiceNow, all these tools are there, ma. ITBM stands for business management. So in the organizations, how many projects are there? Can you tell?
So many projects.
Multiple projects will be there in one organization.
Yes.
So
Yes.
those things needs to taken care, right?
Yes.
Which team is using which tool, Oracle, FCRM, Finacle, iView, all those things we will be having. So those things needs to be managed in a manageable way, right? So that's the reason we are having ITBM. So we are learning here ITSM. So the only thing is, if we learn ITSM, these things are everything are easy. So if you will be hired as an ITSM only, but in the meanwhile, the same things will be there. Nothing would be the difference. Just the theme will be different. Okay. Now, let's take for example, Param, do you have an
Yes.
account in the bank, any bank?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. On your birthday, a bank will send you the notification, right?
Yes.
Stating that happy birthday to you. So
Yes. Yes.
that type of messages you will come. So it
Yes.
is a manually generated message or else any automated thing?
Automatically coming.
Yes, automatically. No one will remember your birthday and send you, right? As
Ye-
because that
Yes. Yes.
that is
Yes.
not
Yes.
your friend or girlfriend. So,
Yes. Yes.
so in the same way, that type of things will be done with the help of developer. Developer, what he will be doing is like we will be having some scheduled jobs which will run in the backend to check whether there are any birthdays or customers are there or not. That type of things will be there. So basically, that type of enhancements will be done by the developer actually. Now, one more thing is like, so you have been placed in one organization. Let's take, for example, you have been placed in one organization. So you have placed in one organization. Let's take this is the organization. So in organization, you have placed, and we are having a manager for it. You are having a manager. Let's take manager. So you want one asset to work, right? First and foremost thing, you want to asset. You want asset so that you can work on it. So you can't go directly and ask for asset to the manager, right? So what manager will do? So from where you came, there is a process needs to follow. So I will give you one URL. Please try to create a ticket. Please try to create a ticket for asset request so that you will get the device. He will be saying, okay, so what he will be doing is like this person will create a ticket. As soon as he creates the ticket, it will go for the approval of manager. Once it is
Yes.
going for the approval of manager, it should the other team will come into picture now. Other team people will come into picture. So let's take stockroom people. Stockroom. Stockroom. What is the job of stockroom people?
He
To
given
provide
assets,
the
Yeah,
to
it's to
provide
check
laptops,
whether the laptop
everything,
is available in the stockroom or
headsets.
not.
Yes, everything he
Okay.
will provide.
Once after everything is finished, what would be the next scenario? There will some IT team will be there who will
Yes.
install the softwares.
software.
Yes.
The IT team. Those they will install the softwares in it. So once after software installation has been finished, they will hand over to the admin team so that they will hand over it to the user.
Yes.
So actually, this is the process which will happen in the back end. Let's take this is the admin team. So basically, as I said, these are everything we can say it in a words. But comparingly, this is known as this particular thing is known as an automation. Automation. So no one will ping him, right? No one will
Yes.
ping that I have approved. Please try to complete the stockroom scenarios. Everything they will say. So no one, nothing should be in a manual way. For each and everything, there should send some notifications, right?
Yes.
There
Yes.
should be some
Yes.
notifications. Email needs to get generated for each and every step. There should be the email needs to be get generated so that everything is possible. Yes or no, ma?
Yes.
Yes.
Everything we can send it as an email so that by seeing the email, okay, manager has been approved on behalf of this particular person. Okay, my job starts now. He will check the room. Just he will be sending email to the IT team stating that I am sending you the asset. Please try to install all the softwares and hand over it to the IT team. In the same way, IT team will send email to the admin team stating that so I have been completed my job. Please try to hand over this asset to the person. So everything needs to be done in an automated way. There should be no manual intervention needs to be happen. So these type of things needs to be done with the help of ServiceNow developer. ServiceNow developer. Okay, are you getting
Okay.
the what is the job of ServiceNow developer? I mean,
Yes.
basic
Yes.
theme you are getting, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this type of things needs to get automated
Manage.
by the ServiceNow developer. So now admin, you all know, if you are having any access issues to log in into the ServiceNow or any tool, you will be creating a ticket to the admin. Admin will take care of that. Okay. If you are building any functionality in ServiceNow, then developers will come into picture. You got my point?
Yeah.
In the
Ticket
same
will
way,
be
in
created by
ServiceNow,
admin.
yeah. Sorry, can you please tell me?
Ticket will be created by admin only.
Correct. Sorry. What you said again? Tell me.
Developer.
These type of functionalities will be developing by the developers.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So one more thing is like if you are working in any of the organization, if you are having some issues with anything else like financial errors in the organization, first they will
Admin part.
remove testers and then admins. Later they will think whether they need to remove developers or not. I have my own scenario, at the time of Corona moment. I have been joined in one of the organization. It is very small organization actually. In 2020. So in my team, we will be having around 10 members. Out of every in organization, we are having around 1,000 employees. So all the employees in the organization has been removed because of the critical scenarios. All of them removed, and all the developers are moved to other organization. What they have smartly done is like developers are there, right? All the developers they have purchased one of the company called I don't want to say that company. So MNC company itself it is. So they have hired all the developers from my organization. They have been developed. They have hired. They have purchased all the developers from my organization, and then we are safe. All the testers and the admins they removed one. So at that time, I got an I can sense it actually that type of scenario. So you are, I mean, we as a persons, we as an family man, we will be having multiple EMIs and all those things. If you are working as an other, if something happens in the future, then nowadays we are having AIs, we are having everything we are having. So nowadays the testers and admins, those jobs are getting very low. But if you see, developer salary are getting hike. Why? Because if you are having AI as well, that AI is also invented one by some developers only. No testers will develop, no admins will develop. So there will be some machine learning. I mean, as a developer, you can understand what should be the syntax I need to give in order to get the correct output. As you are a developer, you can sense it. So testers and admins, they don't have that much knowledge. I mean, if someone else are there, I'm sorry, please don't hurt. It is an live thing which I faced. That's what I'm saying. So sorry. So yeah.
So, sir, I have a question. Like,
Yes, please.
I'm from a non-technical background.
Yes.
So, like, can I become a developer?
Why not? That's what I will tell you. We do have another core component. I will tell you. Opportunities, no prior knowledge. That type of. I will tell you, ma. As I
Okay.
said, a simple example. I am from the electrical team.
Okay.
So easy, ma. No need to. Zero knowledge is also fine. Half knowledge, no need. I will say is zero knowledge is the best one. Why? Because for a small kid, you need to learn it from alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F. Then only he can concatenate everything. Concatenate in the sense he can merge everything and tell APPLE, Apple, like that type of things, right? So in the same way for ServiceNow as well, no need of having prior knowledge or do something else, something else. Okay. So this is already done. So as I said, we are having very great organizations like KPMG, EY, IBM, Deloitte, Amazon, UST Global, all those things we are having. Like Google, I think they will not use, but Apple are using Mac. Apple, they will use ServiceNow only. Okay. Now, future of ServiceNow is very good. As I said, for the next 20 to 25 years, you need not to see back coding skills. No need of having prior knowledge on it. Okay. No problem at all. If you don't have any low code, basically ServiceNow in the future, we will having no code actually. They have built the tool in the way where no one should access or no one should have the uh, coding skills as well. They can easily perform the service now. So they are in process. The process will never end. That is for sure. So that's the reason I'm saying I have one small thing over here, learn and earn. So always try to remember, I will get some people, they will come from other states like Andhra or some Maharashtra, that type of thing. They will come to me and say that I don't want to learn anything. I just need a small offer to me to hand. I will be surviving only for 1 or 2 months. Later on, if the job goes also fine. Why? Because he needs to get married. They will be there will be some Andhra people, they will come to me. Nana, నాకు ఏమొద్దన్నా, just I need job in hand, offer letter in hand. I will get lakhs of crores of dowry in my hand. Later on, if the job is there or not there, that is never mind. I just need a job. That type of people also will come. So I will not support that type of things. Why? Because that will comes any fraud actually. Why? Because you will marry a girl keeping many more hopes on you, stating that you are working in a very great organization and she will have its her own space, right? So that type of guys also will come. So that's what I'm saying now. Be honest, be sincere in learning. You will get in the next 2 to 3 years only. I'm not saying 10 years or 5 years. Why? Because you will have minimum of 2 to 3 years of experience. You will keep and join in our organization, right? So that's what I'm saying. Learn, later you can earn very well. Okay, be sincere for only 40 days. It is not a rocket science. It is not, you are not developing any rocket or you are not preparing for IAS or IPS examinations. Just give your 40 days of sincerely timing. You will definitely survive in your job. Okay. So yeah, I can see I have kept in bold letters that for each and every topic, I will give you the interview focused training approach. So I'm damn sure in the ongoing sessions, you will easily understand
Answer
what
question is correct.
this particular thing is meant for, why you choose this particular training, JPS ServiceNow trainings. You will, I mean, directly you can get the job, ma. Without help as well, you will get the job. If you prepare well, I'm saying, na, I'm challenging you. It's an open challenge. For each and every batch, there will be some students, they will directly crack the interviews without any support. So, no need of everything. Just go forward with my mentorship. You will definitely get the job. Your future will be in the next 40 to 50 days, ma. If you be very sincere and you should be very confident. So, each and every tool I will say, na, for every tool, we will be having around 20% of hard work is needed. So in ServiceNow, we will be, if you are taking ServiceNow as 100%, 80% of admin will be there and 20% of hardness will be there. 80% will be easy and 20 to 30 I can take it as 20 to 30% of you need to give some hard work to it. Why? Because we are non from a non-technical background. At least we need to spend some time on it. If I taught 1 hour, you need to train and you need to spend around 1.5 hour to 2 hours. That is more than enough. One of my student who has survived and got a job in great organization, LTI, I can say it as Mindtree, LTI Mindtree. So he has got around good package as well. Without any help, he got. As soon as we completed the training of 40 days, in the 45th day, he got the job. He sent the message that I got the job now. So the same way, please try to learn very well, ma. That will teach you. Okay. So yeah, and one more thing is like, who can learn? I can say it as any graduation who got finished the graduation before 2 years and 1 year. 1 year, no, ma. Why? Because they will in the college placements they can directly go to the service now. But from outside, no, that is not much. I have this many years of experience now. I haven't placed the freshers in service now directly. At least we need to have 2 years of experience, and we can keep 1 year as an internship, and then we can join service now. So as I said, BTech, BCom, everything, any degree is fine. Non-IT professionals also fine. IT professionals is also fine, where they will be unsatisfied with the current job or looking for the better opportunities or better career growth. Even if they are in the software as well, we will be having some people of having around 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs. He is working for a big organization like TCS and all. They will not give much hike, right? So they are having around 2 to 3 years of experience, but they are still, they will be there in the same thing, same package. So yeah, anything else? Just let me know. Yeah,
If I
the
missed
daily timings are 9 to 10, and I will start the sessions from Monday. Tomorrow there will be the leave, and from Monday morning 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. would be the session timings. And yeah, tell me if you need any help.
I have a question.
Yeah,
I
Hari.
have hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Tell me.
Yeah. If I missed some video, some of the reason, so
Great.
will you provide a recorded session
Yes, good questions. On daily basis, I will definitely.
and document some?
Yes, all the documents are there. As you can see here, right from the today's session, you will be having each and every topic and each and everything in detail. We will have, ma. For each and every topic, you will be having some. I will paste it in the drive so that you can have easy access for that. I mean, this would be for lifetime.
Okay.
And if you come to me, I will give you the downloaded versions. On the online, we will be having a only viewable access. You can't download.
Okay.
Okay. Once you come back to me, I will give you all the downloaded videos. So this would be the notes. Every day we will be having the notes.
Okay. Sure.
So each and every
Okay.
topic will be there, and I will take the attendance as well on daily basis. Those who are joining, those who are not joining, every day I will be take the leave. I will check
Hmm.
at the last who else all will be joining, and I will take the sincere, attendance so that I can easily understand. The only thing, ma, I'm saying, na,
Yeah.
if you practice well, if you are unable to get the job, I'm there to help you. I will definitely, by seeing your efforts, I will definitely get you a job, and I will definitely place you in any of the organizations. I do have multiple, in each and every organization, my students are there. I will give you the HR contact numbers if you need. You can directly call them and schedule the interviews. I will give you the email IDs of the HRs. So, yeah. Anything else? Just let me know, ma.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
sir, hello. So Monday to Friday will be your training sessions,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
on Saturday and Sunday, like there will be an introduction with the old folks, right?
Old batch students, yes.
Okay.
If possible, I can do. Yeah,
Mm.
I mean, not every Saturday they will come, no, ma. Why? Because from Monday to Saturday they will be very busy in their
Yeah.
stuff. So that definitely each day, each Saturday, I will definitely introduce them so that you can ask each and every doubt which you have.
Okay, but
However, in my
yeah.
YouTube channel, I will be posting today or tomorrow. The first
Hmm.
session we started on last Saturday. Yeah, he just given some inputs which are very beneficial to the ongoing training batch. So yeah,
So, sir, are you also like going to create a WhatsApp group or
yes, yes,
where
I
we
will
can?
be definitely creating the WhatsApp group after some days
Hmm.
so that everyone will be working on each other and then they will definitely survive in it. So why? Because I will be giving the tasks now, bro, every day,
Hmm.
so that someone will be very comfortable in doing max to max. I will tell you 100% you can do the task by on your own so that you can
Hello.
definitely, yeah, yeah.
Sir, I have one doubt about the course related.
Yes, please tell me.
Within 45 to 50 days only, you have to complete the admin, development, and integration part of the whole course, sir.
Admin will take 20 and development will take 25 days and integrations will take around 2 to 3 days.
Only basic.
Yeah, yeah, not
Yeah,
basic.
integration part.
For
Integration part.
yeah, integration part only basic one. What I can say is like I mean, you will get good knowledge for at least to crack the interview.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, definitely you will get the at least you will get that knowledge ma to crack the interviews.
Practice purpose provided anything, sir.
I mean,
If
ah,
you want to
task will be
practice
there.
purpose, sir.
Task will be there.
Okay,
Task
okay.
will be there. So
You are
as I
giving the
showed
task.
you, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
1 second, I will show you again.
Sir, parallelly we have to study JavaScript.
No need, no need. Don't forget about JavaScript and all, okay? Don't
Okay, okay.
waste, don't give much mark to your brains. That's the reason, right? I'm the trainer. You please
Yeah, okay.
be on your things. Just follow the things which I said. That's it. So as you can see here, see, this is a task. Like I have a table, I don't have to have three tables in a mobile number. So as you can see here, I will tell you one small task. No need, bro, for now. Why? Because if you were thinking like this, so this would be the server side bar. No
Okay,
need of
okay.
bothering about. As you can see here, every task is there, right? See, these are the interview questions which I got. So as you can see here, I will paste it. One more thing is like I will be giving all the interview questions. I will be noting it down. I have attended around thousands of interview questions. So yeah, these are all the interview questions. Actually, I wantedly apply for the companies and make my skills very high. Why? Because I need to understand, right, which type of questions they're asking. I wantedly attend the interviews for sure, randomly, so that you can easily survive in it. So at the time of you attending the interview, I can tell you this type of questions they will ask in this company. That type of things I will perform as well. Okay.
Okay, sir. So
Yeah.
one more
Course
question, like,
related fee structure, sir.
So I will tell you, my admin team will call you on the fee structure and
Okay,
all. You can reach out to
okay,
them.
okay,
so
okay,
just, I
okay.
just have one question, like, so after 40, like, 40, 45 days, you'll complete the course.
Yeah.
Okay, and like after getting the job, like,
Hmm.
will there be like if will you provide any support if we need, like,
Good,
because
good.
like say I'm like from a non-technical background, so like I will be moving if in case get a job in as a developer.
Got it. Got it. Got
Yeah.
it.
So
I got your question. So good question actually you asked.
Yeah.
That is an actual thing which I need to tell you.
Hmm.
Why? Because everyone will get the job, but the only thing is to survive, na? So yeah,
Yeah.
you will definitely have. I can honest you that I can definitely give you the support. As I said, ma, in every organization I have my own team.
Students
Okay.
team.
So
Okay.
if you got opportunity in any of my known organizations, then you are 100% sure and 100% you are survived in that organization. If you are not there as well, at least you need to understand the requirement. What I need to tell you,
Okay.
at least you need to understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
So because the thing is,
Okay.
what we'll learn is different, and on job it's something
No,
different.
no, that is nothing much. You will definitely
Yeah.
get the job. No, no, no.
And
Nothing will
so
be there like that. But
regarding
you need to apply some
regarding
thoughts on it. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Hmm.
Sorry, ma. Wait a minute. So someone else.
yeah
Hmm.
So actually, what I was
uh,
trying to say is like, if you prepared in the for the exam, there will be
Hmm.
no same questions, right?
Hmm.
At least there will be some criticality.
Yes.
Criticality in the sense you can understand that. If you understand, at least if we are not doing, you can make the things doable with the help of others.
Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yeah, like that type of things you need to.
okay. And in resume, we need to put like regarding
Yeah,
our project, and everything. So
yeah, I will
Documentary.
explain you the project as well.
okay.
See, ma, I'm not such an. I mean, we are not having any Amir Pet. That type of not training is not that type of thing, right? I mean,
No, I know,
I'm
but
from
we
yeah,
have
yeah,
like
yeah.
3+ experience and 4+ experience. The interviewer asked na ki, what was your earlier project? What are doing in
Yes,
earlier
yes, yes,
project?
yes.
So
I have everything in a fully cooked way. Don't worry with that. I will tell you. See, I will show you. We do have. I think you can see my screen. So we do have. I will be trying to prepare everything actually. So. Wait a minute. I see. So this is the thing which you need to say. I have around 4 years of experience. I will be teaching you this one. At the time of interviews, you can understand
mm-hmm.
this. This is my group,
Okay.
which is an internal group of mine. I will teach you
Mm-hmm.
what needs to be how you need to introduce yourself so that you will get good opportunities on it. So one more thing is like I want to show you one more screenshot of mine. My student yesterday he messaged me stating that he has completed around 1 year of IT experience. He just pressed 1 second. Yeah, here it is. Yeah. So as you can see here, I wanted to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to you as I mark as my first anniversary in this job. Your support and guidance has placed me such a crucial role in helping me grow both personally and professionally. So this type. Uh, things. So not only
Yeah,
this, yeah, one more thing, as someone said that for 6 years of experience, once a minute, just a minute. So he is my, just a minute. Sorry. Not only this one, if you come to me, I will definitely show you all the offer letters which are there in our hands in this critical situation as well. In this critical
yes.
situations in December as well. Not, I will say it as critical situations. I will tell it as, I
Free
mean,
spirit.
we are having this Christmas, right? So all the
Mm-hmm.
they will be there in an festival mood in the US and all the companies and organizations. They will be in a festival mood. Either than I have gotten offers in good organizations. Okay, so
Yeah, thank you.
yeah. Don't worry. I'm there to help you here. That's for sure. You will get the job. Another thing. Anyone else? Any doubts? Just let me know.
Sir, after
Thank you so much.
By what time this
Imran, one
course will be
question.
Yeah,
completed?
tell me.
Imran, one question. So, are you going to cover any kind of portal, service portal things in our session?
Service portal. I am ready to teach, but
No, service portal. So, that will be included in our current
service portal. I will
training.
just try to train the widgets. but not
Yeah.
much. No need, bro, service no. Why? Because for every
Yeah.
organization, we will be having our own developers. Developers in the sense, front-end developers will be there. See,
Yes.
we are just starting our career. Okay, no need to have
Mhm.
title and all those things and make our brain very fuzzy. So first, we need to go in a step-by-step manner. You are just starting your career, na? You need to be
No,
very
no. So
confident
actually,
in
so
learning
in my
everything.
current project, we are going to try start implement that service portal things. Just want to know, are you going to cover anything?
Yeah, I will cover if you need. For the last 5 days, I will take 5 days more session and I will cover.
Sure, sure, sure. No, that's all.
Yeah. One more thing I just wanted to tell you, ITSM, HRSD, integrations, portal a little bit. CSM and FSM, I was currently working in that project only, CSM and FSM. So I will show you my project at the last. Okay?
Sir,
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any doubts, please tell me.
sir, after completing this course, is there any classes provided, unrecorded classes?
Yeah, ma. That's what I showed just a minute. I think you haven't seen.
Daily recorded classes only, no,
There
sir?
will be the
Previous
daily
recorded.
recorded sessions.
Yes.
Yeah, this is
Okay,
the
okay,
one.
okay.
Okay.
On daily basis, we will be having a table, sir. And
Okay.
every day we will be having this. Right from the demo, the today's session.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, chalo then. All the best for your future. And anything else, just let me know. If you have any doubts, just reach out to me. I'm there to help you here.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Anyone else?
Thank you.
Any doubts, ma? Any small,
No,
simple,
no,
simple doubt as well, just tell me. Or else
no,
I'll
no, sir.
As of now, no.
Yeah, great. I hope I have given you all the inputs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your valuable time spending on me. Thank you so much for trusting me as all. Thank you. Nice talking to you all. Bye bye. If you have anything else, just reach out to me on my number. It's 9014403436 or 8898565222. This is the main number. This would be the secondary. Okay. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for your
Okay,
valuable time. Bye.
sir.
Let's
Thank you.
connect on Monday.
Okay. Thank you. Monday,
Thank you.
same time.
Monday, same time, 9 a.m.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, ma.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.